3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 29th of October. James Spann here, and the sun is out after some showers this morning. Rain to deal with as the weekend begins. How much rain? When will it stop? A lot of questions, and it's been a very challenging forecast. A lot of changing ideas here, so let's take a look at the latest. Let's go right to the Skycam network. First off, coming from Mount Cheaha, Alabama's highest mountain. I got a note from Tammy Power, the lodge manager up there, said the colors are just stunning on the way up the mountain. In fact, they are definitely at their peak on the top, and the leaves are starting to come down pretty quickly up there. So if you want to see the colors on the mountain, you better get up there this weekend. There's the Jasper Skycam. Sunshine through the clouds up in Walker County. Demopolis, the sky mostly cloudy. That's down in Marengo County, but by golly, they have hit the low 80s this afternoon as that warm front is now definitely to the north. Well, there we go. Big trough out west. Cold, snowy. You know the deal out there. Major snowstorm for Denver. It's been going on for 24 hours. On the warm side of that, we've got big storms firing now. And the threat of severe weather exists for parts of the eastern section of Texas and East Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, as you'll see shortly. And yeah, it's getting warm out there. Montgomery 81 at 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock. These are 1 o'clock observations. Birmingham 75. Again, Demopolis not showing up there, but they've got 82 now. How about that? There's the radar, the batch of showers we had this morning. Now north of us, that's on that warm front lifting north up over Nashville and Chattanooga. Off to the west, you can see a lot of thunderstorms developing, and those could pack a punch. Here's a look at temperatures, and man, it's cold. Teens and 20s at early afternoon across the Rocky Mountains with a big, thick blanket of snow on the ground. But around here, you can see those 80s over South Alabama, 70s to the north. And we'll stay pretty mild tomorrow, but Saturday things turn sharply cooler. There's a tornado watch until 9 o'clock tonight off to the west. That includes much of East Texas, West Louisiana, Southwest Arkansas. Some of the cities involved in that are Houston, Longview, Shreveport, Lufkin, and Texarkana. The risk area runs for the rest of today and not tonight all the way from the Texas and Louisiana coast up into southern Missouri, and that's a slight risk. Tomorrow, slight risk of severe weather over parts of Louisiana, the southern half of Mississippi, west and southwest Alabama. And we'll keep an eye on things as that cold front comes in here tomorrow night, but the odds of a big severe weather problem look pretty small now. Heaviest rain for the next 5 days running from Houston to Indianapolis. This is suggesting rain amounts of 6.5 inches near Houston. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 1 o'clock Friday. Warm ridge over Florida, very cold trough digging down across Texas. And down below that, surface low is near International Falls, Minnesota, with the main band of showers and storms from near Chicago down to Lake Charles. Could there be a shower tomorrow? Yes. But I think much of the day will be dry, and the sun peeks out at times. And tomorrow night for the high school football games, again, yes, there's the chance of a shower, but a big rain not expected. And Saturday, again, the model has been all over the board. It is not consistent. This has the trough not phased up. It's lifting out in 2 pieces, one piece coming up through eastern Canada, one digging down through Louisiana, going negative tilt. If we had unstable air, that would suggest severe weather, but we don't. See the thickness values dropping off? That looks like a cool, rainy day. Temperatures hovering between 58 and 61 with rain much of the day Saturday. So again, the idea of severe weather off the table for Saturday. There could be a strong storm maybe late Friday night with a cold front coming in, but Saturday just looks cool and wet. The rain should end Saturday afternoon. Some of the guidance suggesting it might be over by 2, 3 o'clock. And if that's the case, the trick-or-treaters will be dry. Can't promise that, but it looks that way now. The best chance of the widespread rain could be Saturday morning. And then Sunday looks like a nice day. That's the one consistent we've had all along. We've talked about Sunday being beautiful. Still looks great. Sunny with a high close to 70, maybe 67 to 70, upper 60s. Monday looks dry. Tuesday, beautiful fall day. Wednesday, the same deal. Thursday, same deal. As you can see, much of next week looks dry. We'll check the end of the forecast, the 14th of November. Very strong zonal flow. And look at the ridge pumping up over the western part of Canada in a downstream trough, and that's going to be awfully cold just north of here. That looks cold and snowy for Denver. Snow maybe for Indianapolis and Pittsburgh. If this is right, and look, we know this will change on the next run. We're just looking. But if this happens to be correct, we would be kind of showery and mild out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.